up in commotion with this crazy little notion of not doing anything. Just sit in my recliner, throw back some shiner, and find something good on TV. I need a permanent vacation, a reevaluation. My wife says medication would be best for me. All my friends call me wacko, think I smoke more than tobacco. But a permanent vacation's what I need.
Here, let me give you a hand.
Thanks, but I got it.
Hey, before you go, do you mind if I get a picture with you?
Sure, man.
Thanks. You know, I was really bummed when I heard they weren't going to make a fourth season.
Me too. It was a lot of fun. Thank you. It's always nice to run into a fan.
Thank you.
Dad. Dad. Hey. Hey, Dad.
Hey, son.
Good to see you.
Come on in, I'll get your bag. So, how was the flight?
It's okay. A little rough.
Yeah, I'll put this down, I'll be right back. So, how are you?
I'm good. Can't complain. Just busy with work lately.
Well, if you want to get some real work in while you're around, I could use some help getting the old Mustang running again.
I don't know much about cars.
Just got to take the initiative, son, you know? Well, too late anyway for that.
Is Aunt Louise around?
Yeah, I can take you to her. She's in the den doing what she's always doing. Louise, Charlie's here to see you.
Well, bring him in.
Hey, Auntie, what are you playing?
Oh, don't hey auntie me.
What? What'd I do?
You said you'd play online with me and you never did. Always some excuse.
Been really busy. It's hard to make the time. Is Ryan still around?
We're supposed to have lunch with Mary and him downtown. In a few, actually.
Mary.
Louise, you coming?
Oh, no, too busy. I have important work to do.
Woke up in commotion with this crazy little notion
down the right sideline,
not doing anything.
an interception.
Hi. Hey, George. Charlie! Oh my goodness, it's so good to see you. How are you?
I'm good, Mary. All is well.
You look great. You look great. Look at you, the big success. Such a wild ride, huh?
Well, thanks. It's a lot to handle, but it's been fun. Congrats.
Big bro. Hey. All right. Oh, yeah.
Gracious, you guys.
Too old for this.
Never, never, never.
Come sit over here, right over here. Come here.
So, how's that Hollywood life of yours treating you?
It just keeps getting crazier. It's good. It's great, actually. It's a lot of work is all.
Yeah, right. Of course, must be.
So, what you been up to, Ron?
Oh, he's been working hard with his team. He's got a very talented group of boys. Right, son?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I'm the head coach down at the high school now. Team's actually kicking butt this year. So.
That's outstanding. I'm sure the boys are very fond of it.
Defense. Brown still going. Brown toward the end zone. Touchdown.
Toddy, I knew it. We got this.
See, I told you that running back, they can't do anything with him. You can't stop him.
Yeah.
Y'all enjoy and your food will be right out.
Then wreck your knee, you'd be in the pros.
Yeah, maybe so, Dad. Thanks.
You're an incredible success, Ryan, in your own way. You don't have to be on TV to be a success.
Thanks, man. That means a lot coming from somebody that can already sell their own autograph.
Make a good living playing pretend.
What's that supposed to mean?
Well, that's kind of your job, isn't it? Playing pretend. Different characters and that kind of stuff.
Hard work just isn't appreciated anymore, is it?
I work as hard as you do.
Son, you're in the air conditioning doing that rehearsing. Your brother's out there in the heat, busting his butt in practice. Your mama's your biggest fan, though. I guess I would do it too, perhaps.
Charlie, I really enjoyed the season finale. I've been watching since episode 1. It's great.
That's great. I'm glad you did.
Yeah, I didn't really get into it too much. Sorry it got canceled. Mary told me about it. I have to get a real job.
I'm going to get some air. You three, enjoy your lunch.
Charlie, hey. What's wrong? Come on now, we're just teasing you.
Teasing, really? I mean, come on, Ron. You asked me to come home and make amends with Dad, and this is what I come back to?
What do you know, Charlie? You've been off living in Fantasyland in California. Okay, you've been gone for so long. Ever since Mom died, I've been stuck here. And you don't know, man. You don't know what it's been like.
Look, I couldn't take it. After Mom passed, I just shut down. And after all that, how am I supposed to come back here and face a father who's resented every decision that I've ever made?
Listen, he doesn't mean all the stuff that he says. It just comes out. And I guess I'm just...
Just what, Ryan? When you asked me to come back here, you said it would be okay.
Charlie, will you come back inside?
I can't, Ryan. I'm gonna go for a walk. Tell Dad I had a swell time.
Oh, thanks. Wait, aren't you Coach Ryan, brother?
Yes, I am.
I recognize you off that TV show.
You watched that TV show,
Mhm.
my TV show.
Mhm.
Aren't you a little young for that TV show?
Yes.
Probably. You know Coach Ryan too?
Coach Ryan. Coach Ryan's a beast. Did you play football too?
No, I'm just an actor.
Wow, an actor, that seems easier than football.
Probably is.
so excited. Oh, not now, honey. We're late. Why, thank you, kind sir.
Shouldn't you be in bed now, Auntie?
No, I'm good. No time to sleep. How did things go?
It went about as well as you probably think it went.
Oh, I wish you'd make up with that man.
It's complicated. Don't worry, Auntie. For God's sake, try to get some sleep. These games will rot your brain.
Hey, kid, before you pass out, how about you get me that game over there? It's Dark Ops 5.
Sure thing, Auntie. Is this yours?
Oh, that old thing? No, that's your father's handiwork. He shows it to all of his friends. Hey, hand me that game. Come on, I'm waiting for it over here.
Hello? Yes, I'd like to change a flight. Morning.
I thought you'd be gone by now.
Well, I thought maybe I'd stick around a while.
Son, you're welcome to stay as long as you'd like.
So, where do you keep that socket wrench? Hey, Pops, you here?
There we go. Yeah, there we go. There we go.
Put the light nice and steady, right? Right there where I'm touching it.
What do you need next, Dad?
I need the wrench, son.
Here. What do you think?
I think we got it. We're ready to start it up.
All right.
You give it a try.
Me?
You, sure.
Okay. Glad to. All right, here goes.
Yes, yes. Oh, fun.
How
How about that?
How about that? How about that?
All right, Dad.
Well, let's get this off and let's give her a spin.
You want to drive?
You drive.
Ryan, you there? Come on back here and help me finish this level. We gotta whoop some ass over here.
All right, Annie, calm down. We don't want to repeat it last time now, do we?
You stack it all up just to watch it fall down. That's how things go in a cross-tie town. You dread the summer 'cause of all the heat, but the winter's hell on your feet. You stretch every dollar, but you can't stretch it far. You roll down roaring holler, but still wonder where you are. In a cross-tie town, what can you expect? Sawdust in your boots, ringing ears and an ache